Okay, so as you can see, that fix worked.
There's the fan this side.
Sucking in cool air from this side, going through the motor here, over the heater unit and out here. And it is very, very warm. I'm very impressed. One thing I'm not too happy about though, I hope you can hear me over this heater, is inside here is the connection for the exhaust. And I'm not sure that that's sealing correctly. I've tried to put some heat resistant silicone. I mean, this stuff works up to 300, 400 degrees Celsius, so it definitely works. I know that. Try to put some of that inside the tube and then waited for it to dry and then clamped it down, hoping that that would seal. Because yeah, that needs to seal correctly, otherwise exhaust fumes will come into the home unit. So I'm gonna work on that. But yeah, I'm so glad the fix worked. It's putting out some nice heat now. There's no error codes on the controller. Yeah, the battery temperature thing is, the cable's really long, so it says 11.6 volts, but it's actually more about 12.8. So I mean, the cable's probably about 3 meters, the cable to here, so there is a bit of a voltage drop, but it works perfectly fine. So yeah, that's how you fix the no heat, no start. It's usually just a matter of crud buildup, or bad glow plug, or a blocked exhaust. I think mine was a bit of all of the above. The exhaust was packed full of water, causing back pressure, and then all sorts of buildup of crud. So yeah, comment in the description if you have any questions or things to add, and yeah, thanks.